Well, at least it ain't your job.
Ah, shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
I can scrap, Arthur. I'm just not good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yeah, well, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, eh?
Grow up.
And let me come on the raid with yous.
Raid?
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Now compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John. On the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am. And it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses. Love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen, let's go earn some money.
Hey, all the horses untethered?
Think so.
Good. They should follow on behind us.
Can't you go any faster?
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest.
How are we going to get out of this?
There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
This is too slow.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
Apparently, picks up a new team of guards at the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
See, this is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks and you cut me out of all the action.
Just the action that requires a brain.
You're a funny feller, John Marston. And what folks say? You had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something. That could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
They're left here, towards Rhodes.
Cause I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live.
I blame you two for rescuing them.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Yeah, takes a whole army of bounty hunters to bring in Sean McGuire. And look at me now, in the gunner sea. Back in business, boys. You know, my dad always used to say...
Not the dog, please.
Not this again.
Fine, damn you three. Sulky, angry, Scarface. A right barrel of laughs. So, we block the tracks with the wagon, then jumping. That's the plan.
Pretty much. Charles, you deal with the engineer. John, secure the passenger car fast, take charitable donations, and make sure everyone behaves. Little Mr. McGuire, you focus on the baggage car.
Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right, nope.
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, ha! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes. I'm going aboard. Make that quick and join us on there.
Hey, all right, get on that train, you bastard. All yours, Captain. Or go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and nobody you get shot. Go. Everything you got. Money, valuable. There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
Reach for your money and nothing else. Make me hurt you.
I ain't got nothing. We'll
Maybe
have a
what
little
you
chat
got,
with Romeo
mister.
and Juliet
You
here.
won't get hurt.
Come on.
What's the problem here?
It ain't worth dying over. Tell him, Mr. M.
C'est insensé. Non, par pitié.
Come on. In the
Empty
bag,
your pockets,
everything you
mister.
got. Keep it
Be
coming.
on
Don't
your
be
way.
shy.
People like you
Money?
make me sick.
Nothing else.
You seem to think we're
Make me
playing
hurt
games.
you.
Je vous en prie, no. Why do this?
Deal with these two, will you, Mr. M?
Par pitié. Je vous en prie.
Here,
Thank you.
Pay me what you got, mister. You
Ladies
won't
and
get
gentlemen,
hurt.
this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
Getting robbed, mister. Give me everything you got.
You show this son of a bitch we ain't playing around here.
Please, stop.
This is unnecessary. Please.
Deal with this fella, will you?
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car. Quick, come on! Come on, partner. Come on, quick!
Everything you got.
Empty your pockets,
Money,
mister. You
valuable.
can be on your
We
way.
ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Now, take a deep breath and give me all your money. Quick. Don't make
Come
me
on.
hurt you.
oh mon Dieu.
Come on, cuff it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go.
I don't want to get hurt.
No, please. Don't hurt me.
Come on, Mr. M. We're on the clock here.
Gonna need all your money, my friend.
This is
You got a
unnecessary.
big
Please.
problem.
Let's go, Mr. M. Next carriage.
Pay me what you got, mister. You won't get hurt.
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay? Empty your pockets, mister.
Okay.
You can be on your way.
None of you folks move a muscle.
What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
For fuck's sake! I'm sorry. Come on, get up, you little Irish shit. Get up.
Need some help here, boy?
I'll miss your brother.
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
Try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny. I'm gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Are those tennis rackets in there? Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right.
I know, that's what's worrying me.
Hurry up in there, will you? How's it looking in there? Let's go. All right, we should probably be going now. Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
There's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
We won't tell you again. Come out now with your hands up.
Look out on the left. Here comes up. We got more coming from the trees there.
Put him down!
Shit, I'm already...
Stop! Right there! That son of a bitch is a dead man. Get rid of him quick. We can make a run for it. Your time is up, you bastard!
Look at... Behind us! Coming in on horses!
Shit, Law's gonna make an example!
We got more coming from the trees there.
Wounded!
Get rid of him quick so we can make a run for it!
Us! We got more of the bastards riding in!
Space so we can get out of here!
Come on, boys! Let's get the hell out of here! Let's go, Arthur! Come on! Stealth never was your strong suit. We need to move now, Morgan. What are you doing?
Ride, let's lose them.
That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals of the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take. Enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine. See if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.